$100 million is missing. 1 million cash missing. No cash book, no receipt, but yet money is received. Taxes collected, but not deposited. Everything is in the mix here. So, let's listen to the commissioner to explain to us exactly what we are about to witness here. I'm sorry, guys. I've been reporting on this commission, and then at some point I stopped. The files are longer. I have other obligations, so I couldn't do everything at once. So, but what I'm going to do is we just allow the commissioner to tell us what we are about to witness here, and then we continue. It's going to be a very deep dive, okay? Just bear with me.
Amounts of money up to 100 million, more than 100 million. That is in the documents. For the small sample exercise that we have done, more than 100 million in terms of receipts and, you understand, undeposited amounts of money to the Brikama Area Council. So it will do you good to provide us evidence.
Okay. So obviously, 100 million we feel kodolel kana bulokono. So let's just listen to him again. I explain mole bajala mole understand. Let's listen again to another video of the same person ngala moy kodol kaduna nyameng abulu. Because this is at the time, the context is at that time it must start floka kodoning kataka direct deposit to the bank. So ningale collection okay kan ka diatel. So let's hear one of his stories. Example.
Remember that you have told the commission that you started depositing monies in the council's account in 2020. So this money, for example, I'm just giving you a random number.
Okay.
This 1 million you received in cash, and it cannot be traced in any of the banks. Please confirm.
Okay. So from this you can already tell kodo kadunga bolle. But sayang kodo nyanga kita nyadi le. Because na dara bank le bang adara jinoli ala bang at least anyata document la because kay atoni council la kodolem. So now mbara explain mole or receipt buko nying and in cash buko everything abe kadanya. Let's listen to him and he's going to explain to us abe dundanya because jante ngamen believe volenko we are dealing with real batutas here because yeman receive amen kakajang, you know, I think some of these people are just nothing but batuta. So let's listen to Kodoke now.
Where's your cash book?
No, I'm using GTRs.
Do you not have a cash book?
The cash book is with the finance manager.
You don't have a cash book as a cashier?
I do have a cash book where I do my postings.
Where's your cash book?
Anyway, during the course of this August, we have
Rain.
No, not rain.
Wind.
Wait, let me come in.
Was it fire?
I went for a leave.
Yes.
Then I went for an annual leave, August.
Yes.
I come back to the office.
Yes.
I found out that they transferred to another building.
Yes.
Which I wasn't present at the time.
And then you lost your cash book?
So, no, I could not see the cash books.
Yes. That's the story.
No, Suleiman can attest to that, because I left everything with the auditors.
I know. That is the story. The story is either there's a wind, or there's fire, or it was lost in one way or the other.
Of course, council is right. Council yalo nemune ba caring wala na ba lead kan in this instance ka tarende wrong pour kumo nyi menyanda fola fo tariare nged wrong time o kana base because I knew story jamal le mo. So boy, you know what? In fact, nyin ko dol ka dunga bulle, okay? So modo me yalon ko wolle ka kodo joya ngawala moy I explain mole akatama no nyame. But niaja mbo pila, that is also very important. Lafta ka alia understand ko fengo fenka dung ka recommend menka to koma wala kasia because ibadi kangatela te bado mokana but men fana kanari mina fana songo jibelal so ne kodoke la moy dron men kana joro kateya ngawala moy this one ka fatene loose canon because atebe ya faye sate doldo, you know, aba fanya ko laje ataka operator faye, you know, lone wolf so ngade fana la moy.
In 2018, let me put it this way, in 2018, 19 and 20, when you collect the tax, where do you pay the money?
Area Council directly.
At the area council, who do you pay these monies to?
Principal cashier. Kanto.
So obviously, without doubt, kudo kadunga bola. No problem, mobile na kadunga bola, okay? So but memo problem modi wala mem fanga ba fo kan nga kudo dile. Nga fo la conduct jiwe ba defo beno nyaadi la defo ka nyaadi le. Because jang nyama dol buka nyoko bi mo be na la style olam. So ngade la moy adefana kala operation nya ka tamani nyame. Nga fo na la moy.
In a week because the best for the bank outside level. vlege lolu min dalaje sometime ay nka receipt fula o receipt saba kamen collect so akudo nyin ka doya so la nka compile funa lokum fula ci na ci ta do nga ngajo.
Did the area council ask, did the management ask you to be holding the money until you have enough money?
Honey, no, the area council didn't tell me that.
You guys will just be using the money you collect, and that's the truth. We need your reply.
Yes, I agree to that.
Exactly. Now, why will you use the money you collect?
Honey, obuka soto. Obuka soto. Ni ayo kera. Nindala tekle receipt fula. Nga issue. So mbesela na mom paso so nga paso bondolo.
Now,
because returning from the IT,
have you recorded that in the book?
Because
No, honey. No,
yes, I didn't write it in the book.
Are you not supposed to record your entries in the book?
Yes.
Are you only supposed to have it stapled on empty pages?
honey.
No.
So, from March 2021,
March 2021.
you have not recorded anything in your cash book.
Honey.
Yes.
It's as simple as that.
Yeah.
You're making things difficult.
Okay, so saya memang wrong because you know guy nye mem phone defel lano raga, you know. Yara jaga ni jela from muda. So what we're gonna do now is let's continue with Ibadu Rahman because ala Ibadu itola kulbe katara tembere ne ko bentanga, you know, everything rakintak, no cheating, no, you know, Ibadu wrong. Come ngamen fale wrong. Mo be na la style olanja, mo buka mo copy. Ila kukilinda male lafta muliala. So let's listen to Ibadu. Mbata ala play la one goal wrong ala moy. Na Ibadu la moy. Ate afu mole ataka kenu nyadile come di Ibadu welem bang for the opposite of Ibadu welem nga Ibadu la may Ibadu ka nyame ate afu mole.
Did you report to the area council management that your cash book was missing?
Déedéet waxuma leen ko.
Do you think it was proper for you to continue collecting revenue when you don't have a cash book?
Du yoon waaye man dam doon collect rek waaye waxuma leen ko tamit te it was not du loo xam ne yoon la.
Now, you've also told the Commission that you lost your 2021 cash book. Is it only 2021 or 2021 and 2022?
2021 2022 time boobu noonu laa gisut cash book bi.
We have these reports as well that on numerous occasions you will not be present for submission as well.
Loolu noonu yenn saa yi daf dee nekk weekly duma am luma collect wala suma collecté bariwut dama dee xaar bi the next following week ma dem submit ko together.
Madam Toure, this is not once, not twice. It's not, of course, happening for just a few times. There are several instances where you don't go for submissions at all. We have the lodgement here. I can show you all. You have between Sona Toure, between the 5th of May 2022 to 5th of November 2022, you have not been present. Your name appears on several occasions that you will not be present, and your machine will be recording monies that you collect.
Machine baa ngee dajale xaalis te duma dee dem submit, that's true. Xaalis boobu noonu su bariwutee dama ko dee comply ba nekk ñaari yoon ma dem submit ko.
For several months, you want to go for submissions for several weeks. How do you explain that? How do you see comfortably talking about all of these excuses? You don't have a cash book, you don't go for submission, but you will go for collections, and you don't even deposit it to the bank. All you will have is GTR, receipt from the cashier. So you have been collecting revenue for more than a year without a cash book.
Waaw loolu moom dëgg la dama daan collect te duma ko daan enter si cash book because dafa misoon réeroon na gisuma ko.
Okay, so Ibadu ya tafule albe amale Ibadu membo, no comment. Let's continue. Menyul be la nyokana maybe in the end. So what we're gonna do now is alangal lamoy do la meyanko very interesting character ate he just went with the traditional way fasadomulo. Kana worry. Ke kamo ja drong ni be mudala ye mudade but it la kanja kana obay. Atela police mol janda ma bay. So let's listen to the last one. which is also one of the most interesting ones. So nga sister ni woni ngare la moy bang ba janin ka la moy first ali la moy ba fa ngoni ngala ikana la banka nyini nga menna because ala offense moment lawyer ni ya lonne so aka nyini ngala in advance okay aka nyini ngala in advance fo nyinga ka keno la ba recito is a mosingo si receipt number fula fa sa print no la ban fa da print no ata fa ko hani but ngawla moy fo lo den ngana la moy nyini ngaro na ta fa duda aka na munef.
Can you issue out one receipt? Or is it 2 receipts having the same serial number?
Comme ñaari receipt yëpp ñoo draw the same
number.
déedéet loolu mënut a possible.
So I encourage ko masingo receipt fula number killing machine killing receipt number fula abugo print obuga possible. So I encourage wala understand. So let's go. Ngala may ko de fabina afanso sola bang fata afanso sola. Let's go.
Now you will see that there are about 2 or 3 receipts of the same serial number. Is that normal?
Time boobu machine bi la woon.
Oh, okay. Well, sister, I'm buy. So what we're gonna do is, a longer version on you saying na all lamay. I haven't explained. I don't muna hatina about contradict like about contradict like kumado for jana for jana. Why is she doing all this? Muna bula nyimbe from fola. Let's listen to her. After her be explained.
Now you agree with what you said was not true.
Dina nangu because gisuma fofu nonu stamp bi.
Now there is no signature as well.
Aha kay signature mu fa.
For the $136,000.
Mune pour
Wow.
Who signed?
Signature bi mu signature baa ngi ni.
Who signed?
Mënuma remember kan la waaye sign bi mu fofu.
Now, Madam Chair, with all honesty, what we see in your cash book, if you cannot tell us who made that signature that you said was the auditor, we will outright consider that you lied to the commission because the signature of the auditor is very clear and that is not his signature. So you will do yourself good and justice. You tell us whose signature is that you are showing to us that is the auditor's signature. And if you fail to produce the person that made that signature, we will cite you for contempt for lying before the commission. And there is a consequence for that. And we will give you up to Monday the 15th to tell us the name of the person that signed it so that we summon the person to come and testify whether that is his signature.
Okay. Nia Bela, my congratulations. Confusion 101. So this is it. But you come and summarize in case Momo Yalonga, I'll have to fill them. I will let you know. Start damendo. Kenny Onye, Kodoga Joatelea. Okay, janning galera ka ke banking system o wala direct cash leta ya jod bank denina ya receipt diala oto fana ku dolel jahasta but in essence iba jo kan atalaya at that moment then atafana kala kol ke receipt ka fili so barmen fana ka joate ya fango wol fangolu jama bi je email cash book ol nade bukata audit la bukata malamba fla nyali ibukana area council ko do depositate ya bare ko deposit nyanda ka telea wotaymo bar kanare fonga ya ka deposit ibugo okay so dolbi je wolka tara wulo ko no jele be la ko lay no nyin ko to ke membe sivo wala sivo nyin do mala wol vestere min dole so momo afi adiade wato mena e deposit wota mala anu auditin fana nyin ibugo son katela audit la a wato la yol be misle so obviously like Brikama no wonder no development under these kind of situations jidasilo dinko dron you cannot sirfo it was going to be very very interesting because sirfo in commission so ala baraka bake this time around in video I just decided me gonna drong stick together ali be la moy because mbe koma bakale when it comes to this commission and come na fale nyam these videos like ñul footage men kono ya be kaf ñoma is going to be a combine of maybe 6-7 hours a jam fa battle so thank you so much Nia Jibe, you enjoyed it and then you find it informative. I appreciate it. That's what makes me happy. Inshallah I'll keep them coming. I'll go back again and try to bring you the latest one is a little bit heavier but thank you.